Hi, this is Ted from Ted V Photos. Another unbagging. And this is my newest, what do you want to call it? Hiking bag. Or waist pack, fanny pack. I'm doing a lot more hiking. Knees are not as strong as they used to, so I'm not able to run as long or as far as I used to be able to. So I'm trying to stay active and doing that by walking. So I noticed I didn't have a good waist pack, so I went out to Osprey and actually ordered this from this. This is the Osprey Duro Dyna belt with flasks, little water bottles. And this is in the Phantom Gray Toffee color. They had green, they had blue. This was the only one that was like a grayish color that I thought I could get into. So with that, we'll go ahead and do the unboxing or unbagging. Now, I've already got a couple Osprey bags already. Actually, one of my bags that I'm going to be traveling with this week is an Osprey bag, and that's the 100-liter bag, roller green. The first thing that jumps out at me first is this pocket right here, which is going to be perfect for my phone. Also has a key holder. It also has something back here where you can put something in there, maybe car keys? No. Maybe I'd put maybe some food or something like that. It's got the waist belt here with the expansion so it can expand out if needed. Unique design on how it does that, as you can see. And then whatever you have left over, you can tuck inside. It also has a little area right here. The water bottle holder is right here. So I've been seeing these and I didn't realize what it was until I watched the video. And I'm like, okay, that makes sense. And again, I have a water bottle on each side, and it looks like it's a 250 milliliter. 360 milliliter or 12 fluid ounce on both sides. Only thing I had one problem with this, and I hope it was just a bad batch where it separated right here. Now that one was a little bit older, so maybe that's just why, a little dry rot. But we'll keep an eye on it, and if I find problems with it, I'll let you know. And then, of course, on this side, you have the adjuster too, and a little area. I think most people put little fun food in here, like maybe some, some snacks and or the wrappers from the food that they're eating. This bag is supposed to hold up to this bag is supposed to hold up to 2 liters for storage. And again, it's actually really nice. Exactly what I wanted. Very happy with this purchase. So again, this is the Osprey Duro Dyna belt with flasks, 2 liter, in the Phantom Gray, Toffee, Orange. They always have these strange names sometimes, but that's okay. Looking forward to this. I'll be using it next week, actually, when I go hiking up in the mountains. So again, as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe so you can see more of my adventures and more of my unbaggings. Thank you. Have a great day. See ya.